Hey everybody, we're back. We have the 35 horsepower that was a freebie. And if we get right into it, you can see that it does not have a handle. And go around to this side, you can see that it doesn't also have the shift lever. It has the existing here, but it does not have the knob or the rod or anything at all. But luckily, we have a donor, an old 20 horse. This is all good. This works. Everything's in there. Works. Just has to be freshened up. And let's just turn this puppy around. It also has the shifter. Everything's there, except for this part right here. But a good old-fashioned vice grip does the job, for now anyway. So, that is what we're going to be working with to put this donor parts onto this 35, which has good compression, good spark, and everything's there. Not bad. For free. If it's free, I'm buying it. Thanks for watching. Bye.